Think stretching your hamstrings for hours is the answer? What if I told you that's actually keeping them tight? Most people stretch harder and longer, but forcing painful stretches usually makes tight hamstrings even worse. I went from barely reaching my knees to touching my toes using just 2 simple movements.
The problem usually isn't your hamstrings. It's your nervous system limiting how far your body feels safe moving. When the sciatic nerve can't glide freely, your brain automatically reduces your flexibility to protect you.
The first step is reducing neural tension with a simple exercise called nerve glides. Slowly straighten one leg until you feel a gentle pull in the back of the thigh. Don't force it. If that feels easy, gently point and flex your ankle to increase nerve movement. If your hamstrings are extremely tight, stick with the basic version for 1 to 2 minutes on each side.
Most people notice extra range almost instantly once neural tension starts to decrease. But if you stop here, those gains won't last because your body hasn't learned to own the new range.
Now it's time to strengthen your hamstrings where they're lengthened. Hinge your hips back, keep a slight bend in the knees, and lower until your hands touch the chair. Lift your hands, squeeze your glutes and hamstrings, then hold for 5 seconds.
As you improve, perform the same movement without the chair for an even greater challenge.
The deep squat restores hip mobility, improves ankle flexibility, and helps your lower back feel better. Hold the position for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times.
Adding light weight builds strength and flexibility at the same time, speeding up your progress. Keep your core tight, your glutes active, and control every inch of the movement. Stay consistent, and your body will gradually accept this new range as its normal. Stay consistent, and your body will gradually accept this new range as its normal.
Remember, flexibility isn't about stretching harder. It's about teaching your nervous system and muscles to work together. Stay consistent, and touching your toes becomes a matter of when, not if.